Hello YouTube family. So I am recording this video to guide you how you can take full website screenshot using your Chrome browser, or even you if you are using Brave browser or Edge browser, you can take a full website screenshot using your laptop. So what you need to do is you just need to install a web browser extension using your laptop. So you need to search for go full page screen capture. This is totally free and you don't need to pay for this. So I will place the direct link in the YouTube description, and from there you can directly download this extension. So so after installing this extension, you need to go to the website which you want to take the full screenshot. So example, this is my own website. So I want to take the screenshot of this particular website from top to bottom. So what I need to do is you just need to open your website in the browser, and you need to wait for some time. So you see I can go full screen. So there may be chances this icon may be inside this add-on. So you just need to click this icon and you need to see the list of extensions available in your list. So example, I can click here, and once you need to wait for some time, it will automatically scroll from the top to bottom, and it will capture the screenshot. So you can see it captures very high quality image for your website. So now you if you click here, it will download as PNG, and if you click here, it will download as PDF. So you can do whatever format you want. You can use that for your future use. So hope this video helpful for you. If in case you need a website development service, or you need a web hosting for your business, you can contact us on my WhatsApp number or my email ID. We will definitely revert you on the same. Thank you.